Disney Princess, A Pet for a Princess. A Pet for a Princess by Melissa Lagonegro. Illustrated by Atelier, Philippe, Harchy. Jasmine was sad and lonely. She needed a friend. "Poor Jasmine," said her father. "I want to make you happy." The next day he gave Jasmine a big gift. "Open it," he said. There's the present. Jasmine pulled off the red sheet. It was a tiger cub. Aww. "I will call you Raja," said Jasmine. She was very happy. Jasmine and Raja did many things together. They sat in the sun, they watched butterflies, they played lots of games. Jasmine took good care of Raja. She fed him, she brushed him, she gave him lots of love. There's Raja getting brushed. Jasmine liked to rub and scratch his furry belly. Raja liked it too. Purr. The princess kept Raja safe from harm, and she loved to play dress-up with him. Jasmine made Raja a cozy little bed at night. They fell fast asleep. As time passed, Raja grew bigger and bigger and bigger. Wow, he's a big tiger now. Raja became a very big tiger and a strong tiger too. Now Raja keeps Jasmine safe from harm. Raja is too big to play dress-up. He is too big for his cozy little bed. There's his dress-up hat and his bed. But he will never be too big for a belly rub or a hug. The end.